Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. By popular request, I have brought back the Junkyard Adventure series. We're fixing to have an adventure. Stick around, we're going to be wandering around this place and I'm going to be picking out a couple of those cars that are just special to me, hopefully to you as well. And we'll document some of that stuff as we go. Hope you enjoy the new series, or the return of the series. I think about 25 videos last time. We'll see if we can do it another half year like this, every Thursday going forward, as long as I have the time to edit it. Let's do it.